Okay, Mopar fans, Gause Garage coming to you from Music City Mopars here in Nashville, Tennessee. And here's a car that rarely gets the love it deserves. 1974. Not a performance year, but take a look at this vehicle. This is a Duster 360. A lot of people pass over these cars, but if you take a look at this particular one, it's got options. It's got the big 360 for 74. If you recall, that was not a performance year, but this is a very nice sporty car. See? Factory 4-speed with the sunroof. And look how well this car is done. Everything is brand new. It's beautiful. Got your tough wheel, and there's your 4-speed shifter and air conditioning. So by the time 74 was rolling around, you could still get performance. You have a 360, a 4-speed with factory air and sunroof. Folks, that's a beautiful combination on a sporty car from a year where people just don't give them enough love. And judging from the workmanship on the car, it's very, very well done. You got the vinyl half roof that also couches in that sunroof. Factory air conditioning. Beautiful green paint. And very, very nicely done in stock fashion. Good attention to detail. And all the way through, even the bottom of the hood. Look at the reflection in that. Somebody has done one hell of a nice job on this 74 Duster. Beautiful green, white vinyl interior, 4-speed, factory air, and beautiful. Gause Garage, Music City Mopars, Nashville, Tennessee.